Put it on the license. Oh, it's coming. Is it pooping on me? Yeah. Up, grab it. Up, it's on your hand now.
Who else wants to try?
Oh, it's scary. Oh, it feels so weird. It feels just like you want a cracker. It feels really weird. Can I hold it? Baby. No.
How you go? What are they called?
These are cockatiels.
And how much is it?
They're $1.50.
$1.50 each.
Yeah, they're
So how do you-
hand reared.
Hand reared.
Hand reared so that they're people friendly.
What it is? I haven't seen this before.
Yeah.
Look at two on one shoulder.
Yes, they're very friendly.
And what do they eat?
They eat seed and like little crumbly biscuits and fresh fruit and veggies.
And what's that? Is it easy to keep or is it?
Relatively easy. They do live for a really long time though, so they can live up to 30 years. So they're an investment.
They don't talk.
No, they can do. They're very, especially the males, which are the yellow ones of these guys. They whistle a lot and they're very chatty.
How do you get them to do that?
They just pick it up. If you whistle, they'll whistle the same tunes as you, and they just pick up the stuff from you. Yeah.
Have you been bitten yet by
No,
them?
they're
No?
really friendly because they've been hand reared, so they
Okay.
don't actually bite. And if they do, it's only very gentle,
Okay.
just to let you know that they're had too much.
Oh.
Yeah. They're very good.
What about that other bird there? Is he the
That
same?
one's a conure,
Yeah.
and hand reared as well.
Mm-hmm.
Just a different species of bird, but also friendly. It's very hand shy though,
Okay.
so it doesn't really like to be picked up. But once they're on you, she's super friendly.
Okay.
And really relaxed.
So they're trained, so if it's on your shoulder,
Yeah.
they're not going to just do a poo or anything on it.
They could do, yeah.
They could.
Yeah. But if you pop them down every now and again just to see if they do need to go to the bathroom, then they will. And usually with birds, they'll sort of stick their thumbs out to poop anyway, so usually it'll miss you. But you always run the risk.
Lift your hand up. That's it.
It's got sharp little nails, huh?
Snape, you want to hold it?
You want one for Christmas?
Oren, you didn't get a
That's
hold.
what's a long way off.
Yes. Awesome. Thank you very much.
You lift your hand up, Ed. It's not going to hurt. Lift your hand up. Up. Say up. Up. And now just say. Good. How you doing? Everybody gets a turn. Thank you. Don't be scared. Look. There. It likes me. Look.
Give it to Shayla. Mama, my hand.
Don't pick him up like that. He
Good, my hand. Let Shayla have a lot. Tina.
Oh, everyone's lining up. I think you've got a big. Everybody had a hold.
Okay, guy.
Oh, yeah, Shayla has it. Now me.
$2 a hole.
Alright, has everyone had a turn?
I didn't have to grab it. Sinead, does Sinead want to hold?
You want to hold the bird?
Don't get scared. That's all right. All right. Thanks very much. Come on, kids.
Say thanks, kids.
Everybody else wants it.
Bye, Goldie. Bye, Ray.